Alberta-Saskatchewan border. Is this the GOAT radio station?
It's not.
Is that Lloydminster?
That is Lloyd. That's a wrong place, wrong location. We're kind of close, I guess. Like 3 hours.
Look at that.
Crazy. I live in the thriving metropolis of North Battleford. We're in the Battlefords right now. It is Tim Hortons camp day, so we are on location for my workstation out here, and we're having a lot of fun, man.
Supporting the kids.
Support the doing my part, supporting the kids.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I support the kids too.
Yeah, you are.
He's gonna do some DJing today.
Not the kind that I normally, or people that watch this normally are used to me doing, but yeah. This is what I get paid to do now. Also, I miss all of you guys at the corral. They're going through Canada right now. They stopped in and did their part. Make sure to come say hello to me as well. I am outside of the Tim Hortons. You can say hi. We'll take a cool picture with our bracelets, and that will be awesome. Again, it's camp day down here at Tim Hortons in Battleford.
Gotta get one Bobbles impression before we go.
Of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't do one. All right, well, coming up to Tim Hortons today, things are crazy.
How many times do you say you've been in that bar?
None.